Good evening, all of you. So my name is Shabbir, in case you were not aware of. The purpose of the webinar, if you are all aware, is to discuss geography optional as one of the subjects in the examination. पहले ये बताइए all of you कि do you understand the examinations design? उसमें तो कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, I believe. Now that you know geography optional subject, you all know the design of the examination. There is a prelims stage, there is a mains stage and an interview stage. In the mains stage, you have to choose one subject as an optional subject. You can take up any subject of a list of those offered for graduation. So we have geography, pol science, sociology, history, public administration, anthropology. We have got language papers, engineering, mechanical engineering, civil engineering. We also can opt for chemistry, physics. So एक बहुत लंबा list है. But generally 4-5 of them are relatively more represented. That includes geography, political science, lately anthropology, sociology, public administration and history to some extent. Sociology, yes. So these 4, 5, 6 subjects are the bulk of the students who qualify, and the rest of course it's well distributed across the remaining. A lot of people have been taking language subjects and qualifying, although language as a trend has declined in last 1 or 2 years. Okay, so geography is one of the optional subjects. The purpose for today's webinar, whenever we have webinars, I see there are two purposes. There are two reasons why people join us on the webinar. One is to know the subject, कि subject क्या है, how will we be teaching, what are the books you might need to buy, what is the syllabus nature more or less. And the second, I think that's the bigger reason, is you want to know the teacher, and fairly so. It is end of the day, a relationship you have to build over 4, 5, 6 months. Okay, and if your optional is there, some of you will have to persist with it for 1 or 2 attempts. So it could be almost 2-3 years. So good reason why you should know the teacher. You should know who will teach you, what kind of a person he is, nice man, not so nice man, okay, how does he talk, how does he interact. So I think the webinars are more about interacting with the teachers. So you are free to interact with me. My name is Shabbir. I will be the primary teacher in geography optional. When I say primary, I am taking bulk of the classes. I will not say I'll take all the classes. So we have approximately 160 to 170 classes. I will be taking close to approximately 140, 150 classes. So 25, 30 odd classes is shared by another 1 or 2 teachers. One is Miss Dimple and another could be Miss Shikha Vatsa. Okay, otherwise I'm taking approximately about 150 odd classes, 140 odd classes out of 160, 170 classes. Okay, so I am the primary teacher here. You have not decided on the optional. Fair enough, Rohit. You can ask us whatever you want to ask us about the optional. You are giving in 2023. Okay, that's fair enough. You should know the optionals offered. Okay, talk to us, talk to other teachers also, because optional is a very, very important deciding factor. You know, that is a huge amount of marks. आपका 250 mark का paper हो जाएगा. So that is going to be a substantial portion of your entire engagement. Okay, and geography or any optional for that matter will decide lot of other aspects of a preparation also. 2020 के लिए, 22 के लिए. Okay. By the way, if I can ask all of you, what is the year you are planning to give the examination in? 2022 or 2023? 2022, most of you. 2022. Okay, so I can see some of you are also for 2023. Fair enough. People start 2 years earlier also. You have completed the syllabus, but the practice any answers. Okay, Abhishek, you have done the syllabus. You want to practice answers. Okay, so for you, it's Abhishek. I'll suggest you must join a proper test series. Join a proper test series. Join proper answer writing sessions. Okay, that will help you. Okay, Narendra, 2021. I don't know. You should assess yourself again. 2021 and you have not done optional. Have you done optional already, Narendra? Can I ask you? आपने optional कर लिया है already? or you're going to start off now? You have done. Okay, ठीक है. Then that's okay. Because at this stage, if you start the optional, you will be in trouble. That will be difficult to manage. Yes. How much marks can we match? Can we match? Or can you get, basically? Sagar, it's up to you how much marks you want to obtain and work for. The marks can vary from 2 digits to as much as to 60, to 40, to 80, 300, 310. But you can target around 270, 280. That's a good target to work for. उसके ऊपर मिले तो बोनस है. Okay, और 220, 210 नहीं होना चाहिए. That will be very, very bad. How to start off? Okay, I can't read your name. Namashi Paul. How can you start off? Well, beta, honestly speaking, ये line में the only way you start off is join a course. Okay, do some basic reading and join a course. That's how you start off. Test series now or 2022? Abhishek, when do you want to give the examination? 23 or 22? 23 or 22? 22. फिर तो join कर लो बेटा. You can join the month of June, July. Okay, if you have any test series, you can join in June, July. Any batches starting from May? No, from April. We're starting from April. Okay, April 12th. Yes, or 12th, the first 1 week or so. You can join from May. You will not miss too many classes. Firdaus, आप May से join कर सकते हो. Okay, the pehla, the 15 days. I'll tell you how the process works. I'll explain that to you. Geography, can I choose geography? Absolutely. You know, Asutosh, about me. In my graduation and school days, I was scared about studies. Forget about geography. मैं पढ़ाई से भागता था और अब मैं टीचर हूं. If that gives you some confidence. I don't know. So if you are scared of geography, no reason why you still can't join. I'm a science student and how do I start geography optional? Okay, I'll take up these questions one by one. ठीक है? So I think all ready to go. Interaction हो गया. Next batches. एक batch अभी है April में. Another batch we might start in the month of maybe July or August. Offline classes. Khalid, अभी तो कुछ offline classes हमारा है नहीं. Okay. I cannot comment on offline from EduChemy till maybe October, November तक. Some teachers tell you to opt for anthropology. बेटा पढ़ाई आपको करनी है, एग्जाम आपको देना है. Okay, so choice भी आपका ही होना चाहिए. If you go to a geography teacher, he will take geography. If you go to an anthropology teacher, he'll say take anthropology. If you go to a Kannada literature teacher, he'll tell you take Kannada literature. Okay? So this has to be your choice. How to develop curiosity in geography optional is something like how to love a person. Shobhit, you love a person, okay, by engaging with him, by playing with him, by spending time with him. You love a baby, okay, by taking care of the baby. Love does not come first, love comes afterwards in most cases. Otherwise infatuation hota hai. So how do you develop interest is you develop interest by studying, by looking around, by reading some books, okay, by referring to some articles. Okay, that's how you develop interest. The more you engage, the more interest you will eventually have. Online classes, all the classes as of now, Namshahi will be online classes. Will be online classes. All the details are on the website. You can leave your email ID, phone number with us. We'll get back to you also for more details. Okay? It's difficult for me how to overcome this problem. Aman, yaad karna padega. First, understand that. Second, the more you revise, the more notes you make, you will remember. Okay? Or geography nahi, puri UPSC is about lot of information. तो आपको engage करना होगा. You'll have to make your notes. You have to spend time to memorize. You'll have to take time for revision. Geography and sociology, prelims and mains, not much time. And geography is like ocean. Okay, so Mansi, when do you want to give the examination? So if you know the subject is an ocean, आपको पहले से पढ़ाई करनी पड़ेगी. Mansi. Geography is easy. No, no, no. No subject is easy, Muskan, and no subject is difficult. That's a bad way of starting the process. Okay. आपको पहले डिसाइड करना होगा that are you going to take geography or not. उसके बाद आसान हो, मुश्किल हो, लंबा हो, छोटा हो, you will have to start studying. Okay, it is not going to be convenient by sitting on the fence. How much time to cover syllabus? Nirit, any optional preparation requires 2 or 3 stages of preparation. Now, today's session is a webinar on geography as an optional. Okay, and the purpose is, number 1, to know what geography is, and number 2, I said very importantly, to know me as a teacher. Okay, because you will spend good 5-6 months with me, and even more if you extend your courses towards test series. So it's a nice idea to know who will be teaching you, a nice idea to know who you will be interacting with if you join us. Okay, so for the sake of clarity first, let me explain. Point number one is that geography can be taken by anybody from any background. You do not have to be a geography student to take geography. You do not have to have geography in your graduation to take geography. Anybody can take geography, irrespective of whether you have studied a subject in the college or in the school or not. And geography is a preferred option by science students. Okay, geography is preferred. It is the preferred option. Many people opt for geography, preferred option for science students and for engineering students. I'm sure there are a good number of you who are engineers here, and this is because about 15 to 20% of the syllabus, okay, and the coverage will have a very good component of some amount of science. When I say science, I do not mean too much of derivations, but some elementary concepts related to physics, khaskar, velocity, direction, force, angular momentum, which are very, very elementary. And people who do not have science background, you do not have to be too scared about it. Okay, if you have science background, it does help you a bit, but not beyond 2 or 3 units in geography. Okay, but in general, geography is a very popular subject for engineering students. Why? Because this subject requires lot of sketches. A बहुत important है. Okay, your geography marks will require lot of diagrams and sketches. You will have to make a lot of maps also, and that's one reason why the science and the engineering students prefer geography. Okay, because geography is not as abstract, philosophical. Okay, the sociology is a very philosophical subject. Political science is a very philosophical subject. You have got subjects like philosophy itself, or history also has lot of interpretations. Geography में है, but geography में the abstractness is relatively a bit less, and that's one reason science students are used to one type of a study. So there is some amount of abstractness. Otherwise, okay, you can use your principles of science and your understanding to write the answers. So that's one reason why, okay, geography is preferred by engineering. Why? Because it has relatively lesser amount of abstract concepts. Abstract concepts का मतलब होता है philosophical concepts. So that's one reason why geography is preferred. Now, in terms of the overlap, geography and to some extent political science, okay, these two subjects have the maximum overlap with GS. Okay, so if you take geography or pol science, geography ka overlap is in GS paper 1, it's also in GS paper 2, and some issues related to GS paper 3 also. Geography will also cover a lot of discussions on environment. Environment is a very big component of your GS. अगर आप देखें the questions asked in the prelims and the questions asked in the mains, both the examinations have lot of concepts from environment. In fact, in the industry, in this coaching line, most of the teachers who teach environment are those who come from geography background, or they have had geography as an optional subject. जितने भी major teachers हैं. Okay, so environment is a very big reason why people prefer geography optional. And there's to some extent even pol science, because there is some overlap with polity, there is some overlap with international relations, there is overlap with international security issues, plus lot of current affair based. So these two subjects have the maximum overlap. So if you look at the advantage of geography, okay, one, I said that it is relatively less abstract, less philosophical. That's the reason why engineering students opt. And the second reason is the geography has a very, very good overlap with the GS. Okay, now if you look at the breakup, of the optional, okay, breakup of the optional mein, geography broadly you can divide into a static part. There is a static part, okay, and there is current affairs part. Okay, and the coverage in recent years, current affairs part का बढ़ रहा है. Agriculture current affairs, industries current affairs, environment current affairs, population demography current affairs, okay, political issues current affairs. You have got international relationships current affairs, cities, urban problems current affairs. So this ratio has changed. In the syllabus, the topics are mentioned. पहले क्या था? In maybe 6 or 7 years ago, the proportion of static was approximately, okay, maybe around 70 to 80%. Okay, and current affairs used to be 20-30%. But now the ratio has increased. It has almost come to approximately 50-60%, and this has also been about 50-40%. So current affair based study has increased in geography, and that is true for most of the optionals. And that's one reason why, okay, geography ka width बढ़ा है. And another reason why we said anybody from any background can take geography. So the nature क्या है subject का? If I sum up the nature, what is the nature of the subject? I said it is relatively more scientific. It is relatively more scientific. Okay, it has a very good overlap with GS, and if you add environment, it's a very encouraging overlap. And the third nature is that it has a fair amount of current affairs based study. So these are the three nature. And the scientific mein, you will have some facts you must remember, diagrams you must use, sketches you will have to use, you will have to know some theories also, some models also. So this way what happens is the subject becomes an encouraging subject for most of the science students and the engineering students. But I repeat, it can be taken by anybody. मेरे क्लास में generally, okay, about 7 out of 10 are from engineering background, and another 3 or 4 are from the non-science background. So it does not matter. All of you are welcome. Okay, how will we approach? ये subject का nature है. Oh, before that, what are the challenges? Now see, I want you to know this very well. Okay. By the way, before I move on, does anybody have question on what I just discussed? Any questions on the nature of subject? Anybody? Any doubts on that? How to cover current affairs? Okay. How to face maps? Maps is not an enemy to face. आप पढ़ते पढ़ते maps होगा आपका. Atlas खोलेंगे आप, पढ़ाई होगी आपकी. Okay. How to cover current affairs? Okay, we'll integrate that for you. Geography through maps. ठीक है, that's one approach. But पूरा geography through maps होगा नहीं. Okay, I'll tell that to you about the strategy. How will I follow the strategy? Which level of study? The level of study required, Pawan, is approximately post-graduation level study. Okay, you have got graduation level का base बनाना पड़ेगा and you have to go towards post-graduation level study. Yes. No, there is no geography in the prelims, optional. Okay, it will help you, but the GS geography will require a bit of more efforts. IITians, yes, that's true, Rohit. There is a good number of people coming from good institutions who qualify, yes. Practice map, Dhairya, all of that is part of the course. Now, what are the challenges of the subject? I can see there are 2-3 challenges. One challenge is, okay, geography is almost about everything around us. Okay, this I acknowledge as a teacher, as a student. Okay, geography is almost about everything, okay, around us. Everything economy, everything political developments, everything environment, everything agriculture, everything industries, everything development, poverty. It also includes concerns related to global warming, geopolitics. आप कुछ भी सोच लो, geography has a dimension. Now, some of them might see this as a challenge. कि सर सब कुछ पढ़ना पड़ेगा. To some extent, yes, but you can also see this as an opportunity. Why? Whether geography teaches you or not, you have to know those things as a part of your GS. आप geography पढ़ो ना पढ़ो, environment पढ़ना पड़ेगा. Whether you study geography or not, you have to know demography and population. Whether you study geography or not, you have to know agriculture. Whether you study geography or not, you have to know the problems related to conflicts. You have to know the resources. So geography, I believe, gives you a good reason to study many things. Okay, geography will become the base of lot of other information. So इसको आप positive मानोगे या negative मानोगे, that is your choice. Whether you consider this to an advantage or disadvantage, that's your choice. But geography is about almost everything. And that's one reason why I, as a teacher, has been teaching essays also. Because what happens is, when I'm already studying and teaching such a range, it becomes convenient for me to teach you essays also. Okay, so I would consider this as an interesting dimension that helps me cover many things. Okay, now linked to this is the problem is the length of the subject. This subject requires approximately 10-15% more time. Okay, it does require, okay, some bit of more efforts, approximately. Okay, now see the typical coverage. The foundation course will require approximately 5 to 5.5 months. You have to be ready for this type of time. Other optionals, maybe they take 4.5-5 months. So I said you will require, okay, 15-20 days more than what other optionals require. So we started one course in October. It got over only in March. Okay, so we started in the month of August. Okay, August, September, October, November, December. Okay, so not August, September, December, and around Feb end. Okay, we finished off. So approximately हमें 6 months लग गया. We did have some breaks also. We started one more batch in the month of October. It will get over in another 10 or 15 days. So it takes about 5.5 months. Okay, if you do it continuously. So that is one of the concerns that we have. And a third concern is that you have to know facts, you have to know data, you have to have a good command over lot of current affairs. Now, this is something I encourage. आपको वैसे भी पता होना चाहिए. Because see, when you are studying for an examination of this level, okay, it's very important that whatever you say and whatever you write, it has to be substantiated through some concrete facts, some concrete data. जैसे कि if I ask you, what do you think about the problems related to climate change? Okay, so one of them can write climate change, so forests are burning, climate change, so water problems, climate change, so we'll have problems related to sea level rise, climate change, so we have problems in agriculture. That's one way of writing. Another person writes that because of climate change, agricultural productivity has been impacted by 15 to 20% across the world. The sea level rise will be approximately at least about 50 centimeters in the next 100 years. The consequence of which will be, it will impact about 100 million people in different parts of the world living along the coasts. Because of climate change, we are seeing a 50% reduction in the glacial capacity across the major mountains of the world. So, what I have done? One person writes the answer as generic words, deforestation, but I will say about 200 hectares of land under deforestation. One person says forest fire. I'll say 8 districts of Uttaranchal have had forest fires. One person says agriculture problems. I'll say 15-20% of productivity problems because of climate change. So data and facts, ये जो numbers use करते हैं, the data and facts, this is the tool to write authentic answers. It is a tool to write exact answers and add credibility to your discussions. So it is not about geography, it is about our approach. अगर आप geography पढ़ना चाहें without facts, who can stop you? But I encourage कि add facts, add examples, add case studies, and whenever you write down, give some reference to current affairs also. So this will be my approach in teaching. I give a lot of importance to all of these small nitty-gritties in developing a good answer. Okay, so the challenges in geography, you've understood what is the nature of the subject. Now I'm explaining what are the challenges. Challenges are that yes, it is about almost everything around us. The consequence of which is the length is a bit more. Okay, the treatment requires some specific discussions. So these are the challenges people have in their preparation. Some people can't reconcile with this. Okay, and if you ask me, engineering students, honestly speaking, do the maximum amount of fact memorization. The formula that you have, the derivations you have. So I do not think it's unmanageable. Okay, if you get on with the process, dhire dhire, you all will manage all of these things. Okay, so these are the 3 concerns that we have about geography. How to start geography reading? You start with the NCERTs. Yes, Patel is one of the most popular subjects. I mean, I cannot say the most popular because these 4 subjects is where everything happens. Okay, geography, sociology, political science, public administration, anthropology. The entire game of the examination is between these 4 options mainly. Full course, I'll tell you the strategy how I'll go about. Now see, so you know the subject's nature, you know the challenges. Now what is our approach? What is the Edu-Chemie approach for geography? How will we do this approach? Dhyan sun, all of you listen to me carefully, okay? Then you will understand why we are doing what we are doing. What is our approach and what is our method of teaching. First is complete and thorough preparation. Complete and thorough preparation. By the way, before I continue, can you all tell me if you all are attentive and listening to me carefully? Okay, are you all attentive? because this is an important part. Okay, can you all affirm here? And यार ये सब क्वेश्चंस ना पूछो, संडे छुट्टी है कि नहीं, okay, जब पापा घूमने जाएंगे आप मुझे अलाउ करोगे कि नहीं, सर मुझे गोद में बैठ के पढ़ाओगे कि नहीं. कम ऑन, ग्रो अप गाइस. आईएएस बनने वाले हो, संडे छुट्टी है नहीं, ये सब सवाल नहीं पूछेंगे कोई. ठीक है, ऐसे बाद में पूछना. अभी ध्यान सुनो व्हाट आई एम टेलिंग यू. Okay, now see, complete and thorough preparation of geography or any optional, remember this, any optional or even GS does not happen in one go. Please write it down somewhere. This is something not everybody tells you, and this is something that not all of us are aware about. The complete and thorough preparation of geography or any optional or even GS does not happen in one go. There are at least 2-3 stages. One stage is what we call as the foundation stage. The foundation stage. Foundation stage is mostly syllabus coverage. And syllabus coverage, approximately around 85-90% coverage hota hai. 100% coverage nobody can do, and you should not even try this. Okay, this is the first phase. Okay, the syllabus coverage, foundation, 85-90% of the coverage, ये first phase है. Then this has to be complemented with revisions and consolidation. This you can either do on your own, or you can join some mentorship program, which we also will offer. But that's your choice. इसके बाद you have your tests and answers writing. This is a very important phase 2 of your preparation. Okay, and this is what we call as the integrated approach. Starting from here, this is mostly self plus this. So if you do this completely, then your control over the examination and the paper is solid. What most people do, what they do is they do only this one, and that too not a good coverage. In the hurry to finish course, लोग इसको 4 महीने में खत्म कर देते हैं. This is a bad approach. इसके बाद this is very important. So if you ask me, this is 5.5 months, almost classes 6 days a week approximately, and this is over 3 to 4 months before prelims plus after prelims, and this could be 2 to 3 class per week. And you have to go for approximately maybe 5 to 6 to 7 tests आपको करना पड़ेगा. So this is the typical approach that we have for your coverage. There's the first phase and there is a second phase. First phase में जो आप लोग foundation बोलते हो, this is the foundation course, and this has to be followed by tests and answer writing. This thing cannot be taught in the foundation course, because if I start doing this, आपका syllabus कभी खत्म नहीं होगा. And this is also true for the GS. This is true for anything you study for the examination. And when you take up both, we call this as the integrated program, the integrated course. If you take only this is the foundation course. So if you look at the entire span could be approximately 8 to 9 months. बट डिफरेंस ये है, दिस कोर्स इज ऑलमोस्ट 6 days a week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. On some Sundays we might take extra class also, but this one is not every day. This is twice a week, thrice a week with tests. इसको revision के साथ में you are completing this. So this is approach number 1 that we have in your course completion. Any questions on this? This is our approach number 1. So if you join in the month of April, May, June, July, August, September, maybe you are doing this. Okay, and parallelly we will start, maybe from August or September onwards, we'll start this. Yes, Sagar. Okay, you will get some recordings also. How to check? Puja syllabus. Okay, and you have to have faith in the teacher. Foundation mein, okay, there is no other check. You can check here from the questions that we ask you. You can take either course, that's your choice. January is too late, I think. Isko pehle le lo. हाँ, Jyoti, if you're working candidate, okay, then you can take the same approach, because these classes are generally in the evenings. This is in the daytime, ये evenings में होते हैं. So you can do this also. Yes, you can start off, Prateek. Start off with GS in particular. Yes, Abhishek. All those who are working professionals, you will get recording of the classes. Correct. And you will have access till the main examinations. Yes, Prateek, आप भी join कर सकते हो. You can call us up. And Prachi बहुत interactive है. You're asking me, okay, we will also encourage doubt sessions for you. You should have no doubts. Okay, we will answer. I'll explain our strategy. इसमें कोई दिक्कत तो नहीं है. So Rachna, that is difficult but not impossible. तो आपको बनाना होगा रूटीन और अपने आप पढ़ना होगा. Rachna, it is not impossible but it is going to be tough. You'll have to manage on your own. करते हैं लोग करते हैं. Yes, if you join, no. In this there are no test series. The tests only as a part of this. Foundation course has no test series. This is our first approach number 1. Approach number 2 is, I as a teacher encourage, you have to study with your textbooks. Study with your textbooks. That's how I teach. So when I am teaching, okay, I'll give you notes, I will dictate notes, I will write things here, and then I'll tell you, all of you must have your books. There are 7-8 books you have to buy. For example, this is one book. Okay, you all will buy this book. Then I'll tell you, all of you, open up page number 509. Look at the first paragraph, look at the third line, and please underline that line. What I've taught you is exactly here. And you'll note that down. Then I'll tell you, okay, now all of you open up page number 689. Look at the second column, second paragraph, underline the 5th, 6th, 7th line. आप उसको underline करोगे. This is a very unique method of teaching that only I have developed. And we are encouraging this in our institution. For GS also, we are doing this. So our approach is, you will study with the textbooks. Okay. The third thing that we do is, after the class, you will get notes. You will get notes from us. आपको notes मिलेगा. You will get handwritten notes. So if you have missed a class or missed a point, you can open up the notes and see and rectify your notes. ये third support हम देते हैं. The fourth support is, you will be part of a group of students. We will add you to a group of students of the batch. And in that batch, in that group, you are allowed to interact. In this group, okay, we will give you current affairs reading. We will answer your doubts. We will give you practice revision assignments also. Okay, so your engagement does not end in the class. Class के साथ में हम इसके साथ भी करेंगे. And again I repeat, we are the only institute who is doing this. Others probably at the teacher level they do it, but not as a part of an institutional process. Did you all understand our approach here? So we will cover your course across phases. You will be taught along with textbooks. You will get notes from us after the class, and you will be part of a group where you can interact amongst your friends. This is a group we have. Can you see this one here? It says October 2020 Geography Foundation Commune. Commune is the group. Now look at this group. In this group, see, after the class gets over, okay, we will interact with you. You can ask us your doubts here. आप आपस में बात कर सकते हो. Okay, you can see this. We give you articles to read. Okay, we will give you notes. You can share notes amongst yourself. We'll give you pages from the books that you will read. Okay, this is the support that we give you. Okay, and any book you do not have, we'll give you some pages also you can refer to. All of this, ये सब group में होगा. So some people have a concern कि how will we interact? You can talk to us here. You can write your doubts here. Yes, I am in the group. ये जो blue, ये जो yellow में लिखा हुआ है ना, it is me who is answering. Okay, I've said कि please join back. I'm answering this question. ये दिख रहा है ये diagram? We're giving this. ये article दिख रहा है Niti Aayog's how the district in Bastar works its way to aspirational ranking. So you'll be part of such groups. देखो यहाँ पर notes भी मिलेगा आपको. You can see some notes here. Some students are sharing the notes here. Okay, so our approach is a very, very integrated, interactive approach. आप सब कोई किसी न किसी group के part होगे. You can ask your doubts. And not just that. We'll also give you practice questions. ये दिख रहा है आपको practice questions here? After every class or at least twice or thrice a week, I'll give you. We'll have a question here and you can practice. You can click whatever you want to click, right, wrong. We'll explain if required. So the approach that we have, okay, and if you look at our notes that we share, I'll give an example of the notes that we share. Just a minute. You will be added to an app. Okay, so see here. This is one of the class. The class was done on 16th of March. Okay, and this is the class notes we will give you. Okay, 16th of March, पूरा आपको class मिलेगा ऐसे. Handwritten notes. Okay, from the class आपको मिलेगा. We will want that you make your own notes. But if you can't make your notes or कुछ miss कर गए हो आप, we support you with the class notes also. Handwritten diagrams, hand-drawn diagrams, and proper notes. So this is our approach of how we teach you. Anything else you want to ask me? I said no, ये webinar का main purpose है to understand geography, to understand how we teach, and to know the teacher. Try to know who I am as a person. Ask me your doubts, whether we clarify or not. Okay, it will be interactive. They are not recorded sessions. They're all live sessions. आपको one-on-one live मिलेगा. Any questions here? Anybody, any doubts, any questions here? Prachi, the course is entirely in English. We do not have in Hindi. Okay, it is entirely in English. Which is best, online or offline? But say it's a choice of yours. My personal suggestion will be go online. This is not very safe time for offline. And offline mein there are other challenges. The advantages bhi hain. Okay, but if you look at the options available, I think online is a good one. New batch is starting from April. Okay. Now I'll just give an idea about the syllabus here. Mansi, there are students who study on their own, but you have to arrange for some notes of some institute, and that becomes a bit tricky because the complete notes मिलना मुश्किल हो जाता है. But आप पढ़ना चाहो खुद पढ़ सकते हो. It's not impossible. It'll take you some more time. Okay, now if I ask you one question, okay, now that Mansi has asked me, what is one of the most important reasons why people join coaching classes? Anybody? What is one of the most important reasons why people join coaching classes? For guidance, to guide, continuity, not to waste time, interactive, to get the way. You're all right. But my belief is the most important aspect of joining the classes is maintaining a disciplined routine, जो कि अपने आप करना बहुत मुश्किल होता है. Right? See, whatever I will teach, very honestly, it's in the books. I'm not a research scholar to give you new concepts. सब कुछ किताब में है. अगर आप बैठोगे आप वो सब सीख जाओगे. But what is the problem is that to maintain a routine every day. See, I teach for 2.5 hours every day, 6 days a week, and I exactly know what to teach, what not to teach. And then I take 5.5 months. सोच के देखो आप, 6 days a week, 2.5 hours every day, and I know what to study and what not to study. And then I take 5.5 months minimum. So if you are not maintaining that discipline, if you read wrong things, if you take up a wrong source, आपको 5.5 महीने से कम टाइम नहीं लगेगा. You'll only take more time. Some can say, oh sir, I can study 5 hours a day. Impossible. 5 hours only geography will be killing for you. आपका बाकी सारा खराब हो जाएगा. So can you study on your own? Yes, you can. Okay. But the challenge is you have to be very, very disciplined in your approach. You have to be very, very organized in your approach. Okay. And that requires huge amount of momentum and motivation. In a class setting, when a teacher is teaching, it becomes a bit more manageable. In fact, that's the reason why we say, okay, that please join live sessions. Recordings, maybe it is difficult to maintain a discipline. Live session is where the discipline is maintained. When I'm talking to you, you are talking to me, you ask me your doubts, I clarify the doubts. Okay, you are talking to each other on those Telegram groups and communes, it becomes easy. Is it okay? No. NCERT alone is not enough. I will give you the list of the books, okay? Just give me a second. A syllabus hoga. I have requested Sindhuja to give syllabus. So syllabus, paper 1, geomorphology, climatology, oceanography, biogeography, environment geography. Paper 1 में ही human aspects है 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 topics. Okay, and then you have paper 2. Paper 2 also has 10 topics. Okay, unit 1, unit 2, unit 3, and so on, and so on. Okay, there are 10 topics in paper 2, and 10 topics in paper 1, 10 units in paper 1. So the books के लिए, for the books, please have NCERT textbooks right from class 6 to class 12. This is a very basic reading. The second basic reading is, okay, class 10th ICSE book है by Goh Cheng Leong. Okay, these two are the basic books. Okay, and then you will have reference books. Reference books में there are 8 to 9 books. One is Geomorphology by Savindra Singh, Climatology by again Savindra Singh, Oceanography by Savindra Singh, Environment Geography by Savindra Singh. 1, 2, 3, 4. Geomorphology by Savindra Singh. You can buy these books online. You can order on the Amazon. You'll get all of these books. Geomorphology by Savindra Singh, Climatology by Savindra Singh, Oceanography by Savindra Singh, Environment Geography by Savindra Singh. Then you have Human Geography, please buy edition 5 by Majid Hussain. Then you have Models and Theories, again by Majid Hussain. Then you have Geographical Thought by R.D. Dixit. And then you have Geography of India by Khuller. So you can write these books' name, or you can wait for us to give you the list on your mail. That's your choice. अगर लिखना है तो लिख लो आप लोग. These are the 8 books you have to buy if you are part of my class. Okay, in my class I insist कि आप लोग books के साथ पढ़ाई करो. You must read with the books. Any questions you want me to clarify? For the maps you need to have atlas. You can have atlas. You can buy TTK School Atlas, and you can buy Orient Black Swan again School Atlas. TTK School Atlas. Salesh, books का कोई limit नहीं है. Buy this much. There's no practical geography for your optionals. Mansi. No Shravan, not physical geography by Savindra Singh. You have to buy these 4 separate books by Savindra Singh. Environment Geography, Oceanography, Climatology, Geomorphology. ये सब अलग-अलग किताब हैं by Savindra Singh. We do not have practical geography. Okay, no Dhairya. I will not follow that by Majid Hussain. I will follow Indian Geography by Khuller. No books to be completed before the class starts. Try reading class 6 to 10th NCERT. Our class will start on April the 12th. Read 6 to 10th NCERT. Rachna, we will let the office talk to you. Okay. So Pooja, this is your homework. Class 6 से class 10 तक का NCERT. Try reading that through. Salesh, leave something for me. Okay. सब कुछ आप कर लोगे तो कैसे होगा? जब क्लास ज्वाइन करोगे, leave something for me. I'll tell you what to do there. No, Swati. Okay, abhi nahi. Yes, you also have this book by Richard Bryant. Is the Made Simple series. You want to buy, you can buy those also. So there are 2 books by Rupa Publication. Okay, Geography Made Series 1 and 2nd volume. You can buy and keep this also. Okay, but these are the 8 books I need in your shelf when we start off. So Purushottam, that will be difficult. Okay, so Purushottam, what you can do is, you can join the GS course rather than optional course now. Okay, so now listen to me. I'm going one step ahead. Now see, we are also offering what we call as the bridge course. All of you, please thoda dhyan se suno, okay? And I'll tell you the importance of this. We're also offering you a bridge course for GS, which is 45 days, okay, GS, okay, coverage to build your basic concepts. And I will recommend all of you should join this. It's not expensive. It's hardly about 7,000-8,000 rupees ka fee hai iska. Okay, it's a bridge course, because what happens is, many of you, without knowing the basic concepts, you jump in the preparation and then you have a big problem. And this is 40-45 days. Ye evenings mein hi class hongi. After your class gets over in the college, you attend these classes, where we'll take you through NCERTs. We will cover 4 things here. You will have 10-12 days of polity classes, 10-12 days of geography and environment. We'll have 10-12 days of history classes and 10-12 days of economy classes. So if you can do this, your base for the GS is built. And then I will recommend, okay, you can join the GS course that will start in the month of June, July. This is also an online course. This also is an online course. It is in the evenings. This also is in the evenings. So all of you who cannot join geography with us because our class hai, this is a very good course to do while you are in the college. And once you finish this, you can join the geography classes for perhaps once your course gets over. So ye jo geography hoga in this 10-12 days, we will try to give you basics from NCERTs. We'll give you appreciation of the subject. In fact, this is a very good course to also know what type of optional will work for you. So those of you joining geography, you are welcome. Agar aap geography nahi join karte ho, you are still welcome to consider and join us for the bridge course that we are launching. Okay, and the classes will start from April the 21st. और इसका भी एक webinar है. We'll let you know when the webinar will be there. Okay then, I think I've answered your questions. Okay, thank you so much. Dhanyavad. I hope you went back enriched. I hope I was able to support you, help you. Any other question, write to us, send a message, send a mail. We'll get back in touch with you. Okay, thank you for joining. Bless you all. My wishes for all your future preparation. Bye-bye from Shabir from Educami. Bye-bye all of you. Thank you. Bless you guys.